iodine is available in water also, in vegetables also, and sea fish, sea fish. Yes, iodine, okay, salt, like salt, it is mineral. Okay, and salt matter, it is mixed. Iodized means iodine is mixed in our salt, and salt everybody uses, and then will be having mineral iodine and will not suffer from the disease. Isn't it? Okay, this thing happen and and then next is symptom. What happens? It attacks in the neck. Ghati, thyroid gland,
Yes, sir.
thyroid gland अस्ति पढेको ग्ल्यान्डुलर सिस्टममा पढेको के भन्दा thyroid gland, and thyroid gland needs iodine mineral to produce secretion, that thyroid gland is needed. All right, so the thyroid iodine is needed so that it becomes, and it starts, it thyroid gland starts secreting secretions called thyroxine. The name of the secretion produced by iodine, thyroid gland is thyroxine. निकाल्छ. अब यो पाएन भने then it cannot become active and it starts swelling. यहाँ swelling भनेछ नि, gland swelling, iodine नपाएपछि. Okay, base of the neck, and then tight feeling in the throat, a little bit difficult swallowing, having food, and respiration also, it causes some kind of difficulties. So if it happens, then hoarseness, it is a sound. The suffering of this will produce hoarseness sound, hoarse sound. Yes, faster heartbeat rate, bulging eyes, eyeball coming outside. Yes, and then retarded growth stop. Jati bhayo bhayo, right? It will stop. Physical development, mental sabai bigrincha, stop huncha. So these are the things happen in the goiter. And now preventive भन्नुपर्छ. We need to say prevention के को कारणले हुन्छ. What are the causes that should be available in our food? That goiter, how can we prevent goiter? So foods containing iodine, vegetable sea fish अनि iodized salt should be used. त्यति गरेपछि will be safe, right? Okay, so preventive measure त्यही हो. अब yes, यहाँ भनेछ supply of iodine rich food such as seafood or yolk of egg, yellow part of the egg, and onion, प्याज खाने, sea fish खाने, अघि पनि भनेको थिएँ sea fish, right? And use of iodized salt. यति भएपछि will be that can be preventive measure. यति खाएपछि if you are conscious, then having all these foods, containing all these food, then will be safe from the goiter disease. Previously, it could be seen very many people suffering of this goiter. So गलामा गाड भन्छ नि, people used to suffer. Many people who are not having this iodized food and iodized mixed food, then they suffered in many number. But nowadays everyone is getting iodized salt. Due to that, I think no one is suffering of this. All right. Okay, now let's go to the next. You can see the goiter. So these things that attacks in the thyroid gland. This is thyroid gland. Whitish border you can see. Okay, that is normal time. At the time of normal, when person suffers of goiter, then that becomes that enlarged, that becomes bigger and bigger, and so many problems come. Down, let's go to another one, anemia. Anemia disease is what? Due to lack of sufficient amount of blood in our body. Yes, blood in our body. Blood ma there is iron. In blood, what is there? There is iron. Then that makes the hemoglobin part that is in the blood becomes active. So iron is needed, and iron is, where is the iron? In the blood. It is working with the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the important part of blood. Without hemoglobin, blood becomes unhealthy, and then without iron, hemoglobin will not be active. Hemoglobin like active kale garcha iron, and iron bhayeपछि hemoglobin becomes active, and hemoglobin when it becomes active, then blood healthy. When there is iron in the blood, then hemoglobin, other parts of the blood become also active or healthy. So to make healthy blood, the main function of iron takes place. Iron takes place as a main. So that should be present, that should be available in the blood. So if that lacks, go away, bleeding भयो, or discharge of blood भयो, there is not sufficient amount of blood in our body. So due to this reason, anemia disease is caused. Lack of blood भन्नुको मतलब के there is less amount of hemoglobin, and hemoglobin ठिक छैन भन्नुको मतलब there is not iron available. There iron tablet also people take it at the time of having anemia. Okay? To be safe from anemia, iron tablet is provided, and through other kinds of daily food also, the food containing iron, that is also available. So this is the main thing. A diet deficient in iron-rich food छैन भने blood infestation, worm infestation भनेको के attack, जस्तो के भन्छ नि भेरियस वर्मिन्स डिजिजहरू के वर्महरू, जुकाहरू, राउन्ड वर्म, थ्रेड वर्म के भन्छ नि त्यस्ता खालका चिजहरूको इन्फेक्सन भएको छ भने पनि देयर इज चान्स अफ हेभिङ एनिमिया, बिकज दे टेक the worm, take blood and make wound, and there will be discharge of blood. Blood discharge bhayeपछि there will be bleeding. Bleeding means blood will go out, so then automatically it lacks sufficient amount of blood in our body. So these are the things. The symptoms. What happens? What happens in the symptom? Okay. Symptom मा के हुन्छ? Polar of the skin, जुन RBC, hemoglobin, iron को amount नभएपछि हो, if there is deficiency of all these things, anemia is caused. So if that is deficient, then color of the skin will also become yellow. Yellowish color. Polar भनेको color of the skin भनेको faded. Moon face भनेको थियौँ न अस्ति हामीले पढ्दाखेरि केमा क्लासियर कर्मरास्मसमा, हो लाइक दैट. पोलर भनेको येलोइश, रातोपना, हेल्दी ब्लड नभएपछि के हुन्छ? पहेँलो फेडेड कलर इन द स्किन. एन्ड आइज एन्ड टङ, इजी फटिग, very we are doing nothing, physical work, we are doing nothing, but also you feel fatigue. Okay, tired, feeling of tiredness, and you polar of the skin, eyes and tongue. टङमा आँखामा आँखा सेतो पहेँलो देखिने जिब्रोमा पनि पहेँलो देखिने त्यस्तो हुन्छ लाइक जन्डिस जन्डिस भन्छ नि जन्डिस हुँदा जस्तै ओके फर्स्ट भनेको इजिली यु आर डुइङ नथिङ physical activities you have not done but then also you feel tired okay tired of sitting also tired of just resting or at the time of resting also you get tired fatigue loss of weight pigmentation of the skin color something discolor type of skin original type of skin के अब रातो र हेल्दी ब्लड छ भने त त्यसलाई कस्तो बनाउँछ स्मुथ एन्ड कलर्ड एकदम ब्राइट हुन्छ नि कलर अफ द स्किन हो अब त्यो नभएपछि जस्तो कलर देखिन्छ फेडेडको डिस्कलर टाइपको द्याट इज नोन एज पिगमेन्टेसन अफ द स्किन स्किनमा के छाप बसे जस्तो देखिने के सम लाइन्स क्यान बी सिन इन द स्किन अनहेल्दी स्किन हुन्छ on smooth glamour नभएको के glamour त you better understand हैन करुण थापा yes
sir.
okay loss of appetite what do you mean by this you will not
Also,
like to eat no interest in eating भोक नलाग्ने is called that is known as loss of appetite खानु मन नलाग्ने थकाइ लाग्ने अनि पेन कलर फेडेड खालको शरीरमा येलोइश कलर यस्तो खालको हुन्छ प्रिभेन्सन एन्ड प्रिभेन्टिभ मेजर्स भनेको व्हाट आर द प्रिभेन्टिभ मेजर्स अफ एनिमिया फुड्स कन्टेनिङ आइरन हो कन्ज्युमिङ अर हेभिङ फुड रिच इन आइरन लाइक ग्रीन लिफी भेजिटेबल it is better and liver भनेको meat को one of the part that contains high amount of hemoglobin iron also right meat eggs nuts shellfish भनेको हुन्छ नि के प्राउन टाइपको अर्कै खालको सी साइडमा त्यस्तोमा पाइन्छ ओके सी फुड one of the seafood Okay, now next is taking iron tablet also. अब artificially औषधि नै खाने taking iron tablet in the condition when there is lot of large volume, large amount of blood if it goes discharge during delivery, during accident or due to another things, and infection आदि इत्यादिको कारणले blood is away from our body. At the time of that, we need to have iron tablet because doctor also suggests to have iron tablet. They will prescribe. So these are the things. Yes, these are the things to be considered for preventing anemia disease. Okay. Now let's go to next one. After anemia. Scurvy. Another malnutritional disease is scurvy, and it is all due to lack of yes vitamin C. Last year पढाएको थियौँ हामीले vitamin due to lack of vitamin C, scurvy disease is caused, and this is also known as ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid, okay? So, scurvy लाग्नु lack of ascorbic acid in our body this is not reserved अरु चीज जस्तो this is not reserved हुँदैन जतिखेर every day we have to take it हैन so ascorbic acid is required by our body if it lacks त्यो भनेको भिटामिन सी नै हो के कुरा बुझेन
yes, sir.
Oh, ascorbic acid is equal to vitamin C. है ना? Okay. The function of it is to make the skin smooth and strong through the intracellular substance, collagen भन्छ intracellular. त्यो छालाभित्र हैन, even in skin, function is to make the skin smooth and strong. Ascorbic acid help to make smooth and our skin smooth and strong through intracellular substance. त्यही एस्कर्बिक एसिडले छालाभित्र गएर मसल्समा गएर के गर्छ, हाम्रो मसल्सलाई स्ट्रङ बनाइदिन्छ. त्यहाँका टिस्युजहरू, सेल्सहरू, द्याट मेक्स स्ट्रङ, स्मुथ, हेल्दी बनाइदिन्छ. फङ्सनेबल पनि बनाइदिन्छ. Some people are still coming. Okay, यही हो. एस्कर्बी भने बुझ्यौ, भिटामिन सी. एन्ड द फङ्सन इज to have intracellular substance, protein found in the skin and the bone पाइन्छ, and that makes smooth and strong. Okay, found in skin and the bone मा काम गर्छ. अहिले त्यसको काम फङ्सन थाहा हुन्छ अहिले. Now symptom, bleeding through the gums, hemorrhage. Bleeding through the gums भनेको मुखको गिजा हुन्छ नि, गिजा, you understand? Where are our chest? In the gum. गिजा भन्छ कि यहाँ भित्र. That muscle of gum inside our mouth. So from there, that bleeding, ascorbic acid, if it lacks, it cannot function. It cannot make smooth and strong to our muscles and skin. Sorry, muscles or bone. Muscle भनेको स्किन पनि मसलै हो. ओके, बोनलाई जुन स्ट्रङ बनाउने एलिमेन्ट एस्कर्बिक एसिड, if that lacks, then what happens? The scurvy disease is caused. And then bleeding through the gums, hemorrhage भनेको also bleeding हो. Hemorrhage also त्यो हाम्रो सानो capillaries भन्छ नि, capillaries, small veins that supply blood, हैन, they will be damaged, they will be ruptured, fursan, and then bleeding आउँछ. So through the gums also that bleeding occurs, and then that is known as hemorrhage. Even in the brain, if that ruptured in the brain side, and there is bleeding, discharge of blood, that is also known as hemorrhage. Or wherever in our body, if there is inside bleeding, inside, then that is known as hemorrhage. And anemia, weakness, and loose teeth. Anemia भने त हुन्छ नि, discharge bleeding out भएपछि anemia हुन्छ कि हुँदैन? Scurvy as well as anemia also, do two things, because here is also bleeding, here is also blood. Okay, weakness and loose teeth, tooth fall out, you will lose if you